Today's video is gonna be the tutorial on the look that I'm wearing right now, which is the look of the month video. This month I picked a really fun summery look as well, which is a green eyeshadow look with a really sun-kissed kind of glow with like orangey tones as well. So I think it's a really good makeup for going to the park, to have a picnic or something. I would say this look reminds me a lot of like Central Park because it's a lot of green and like the sun during the summer. I think it's a perfect look for going to Central Park. For some reason, if you want to see how I create this really fun summer look, then just carry on watching. First, I'll be concealing my under eyes with the Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer. I'll spray my sponge with a little bit of rose water spray so that the concealer will blend in better. For concealing any redness or spots on my face, I'll be using my Colourpop No Filter Concealer. To achieve that really nice and healthy glow, I'll be using the Marc Jacobs highlighter stick. I think blending it in with your fingers works better than a sponge because it doesn't take away the glow. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my cheekbones and also down my nose. And here I'm just contouring my nose with my MAC eyeshadow in the shade Wedge. Moving on to our eyes, first we'll be taking a Paper Tiger from Colourpop to blend it all over our lid and mainly focus it in the crease. Moving on to Preppy from Geek, we'll be focusing it at the outer corners. Taking the bright green shade, we'll be blending it in a little bit on the outer corner and towards the center of our eyes. It's gonna look a little messy, but it's okay because we'll be covering it with another color. This is just a base color. Taking the NYX Prismatic eyeshadow in the shade Bewitched, we'll be placing this shade mainly focused at the center of our lids and place it on top of the green that we did earlier, and also slowly blend this color into our inner corners. Focusing the pigment at the center of our lids and then blend it out is going to create that really pretty gradient effect. With a smaller crease brush, we'll be using Preppy again to blend out the colors. Taking the same green shade, we'll be using it on our lower lash line. Using the NYX eyeshadow again, we'll be placing it at the center on our lower lash line and then blend it a little bit lower. Taking Golden 8 from the Golden State of Mind palette, we'll be using this shade at our inner corners. This shade has a really slight blue and green shift to it. And then using the Nature Republic black gel liner, we'll be using it to create a wing eyeliner. And then I'm just gonna curl my lashes. You can put on some false lashes if you want a more dramatic look, but I'll be only using mascara today. I'll be using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara today. For that really beautiful sun-kissed look, I'll be using my butter bronzer. For my blush, I'll be mixing the two shades from the Knockout palette from Colourpop to give a really beautiful glow to my face. I'll place the blush on top of my cheekbones and also across my nose so that it can create that natural sun-kissed look. For my lips, I'll be first using Lux Lipstick and Uno Moss from Colourpop to create that really pastel peachy nude color. I don't want the color to be too pastel, so I'll be placing Moonchild gloss on top of it. So here's the really fun summery makeup look that reminds me of Central Park for some reason. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up, and all the products that I used on all my social media will be linked down below in the description box so you guys can go check it out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my new videos. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!